Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So from any screen, if it's on the radio here, just click onto Navi. I'll turn that down so I don't get a copyright strike. And then you've got this control here. You probably won't be able to see, I hope you can. But I'll try and zoom in from that camera over there. So using the rotary control here, you've got their destination. So we'll just do it again from telephone onto Navi, and then also you can, if you click up to the top there, Navi, click on Navi, you've got all sorts of different things that you can change. Here we go, we'll click back onto destination, click destination, address entry, so just navigate to address entry, country, town, street, so, and you've got postcode at the bottom, just there's postcode. So we'll click down onto postcode, click the center of the button for OK, P, R, 5, click back to 4, and then J, S, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantler, Preston, PR5 4JS, click select. Now you've got street here, which we'll go to street. It's Chorley Road. There you go, Road Chorley, Chorley Road. So select Chorley Road, and then a number. We're at the garage. It's not really a number, so I'll just select the first one, 155. Yeah, select, and then it's defaulted to start. Click start.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
So that's that.